Taroona House represents a sophisticated dialogue between the rugged Tasmanian wilderness and the precision of modern architecture. Perched on a steep, densely forested incline in southern Hobart, the residence is the result of a tight-knit collaboration between the firm Archier, the homeowner, and Dulux. Rather than fighting the challenging topography, the design leans into the verticality of the landscape, resulting in a home that feels less like a structure placed on the land and more like a natural extension of the hillside. The architectural strategy focuses on hugging the natural contours of the site. By stacking the primary volumes and laying them along the Earth's curves, the architects minimized the impact on the pristine bushland while maximizing the connection to the environment. This layout forces a gradual, immersive experience with the property, beginning with a long, winding entry path that cuts through native vegetation before delivering guests to a threshold tucked beneath the main living volume. The journey through the home is defined by a series of framed vistas and intentional shifts in perspective. From the initial transition through the mudroom to the more intimate sleeping quarters, the house uses large expanses of glass to blur the boundary between the interior and the canopy outside. Even the most private spaces, such as the bathroom with its deep Japanese-style bath, are oriented to embrace the swaying trees and the shifting light over the River Derwent. One of the home's most ingenious features is its use of vertical space to create unexpected greenery. The roof of one volume serves as the garden for the next, planted with native creepers and low-lying flora. This rooftop garden ensures that as residents move up through the levels of the home, they are never separated from the earth, maintaining a constant visual link to the Tasmanian bush regardless of which floor they occupy. The social heart of the residence is an airy, light-filled sequence of rooms where the kitchen, dining, and living areas flow into one another. These spaces act as a viewing platform for the river and the wilderness beyond. The design director notes that the experience of the home is defined by the passage of time, specifically the way the morning and evening sun filters through the moving branches, casting a dynamic play of light across the glass bookend rooms. Color acts as the vital bridge between the architecture and the ecology of the site. Rather than opting for standard neutrals, the palette was derived directly from the surrounding vegetation. By utilizing specific Dulux tones that mimic the moody greens and calming hues of the forest, The interior feels like a continuation of the forest floor and canopy. This thoughtful application of color transforms the studio and living quarters into a cohesive sensory experience that honors the local landscape. Ultimately, Taroona House is a testament to the power of empowering a client within the design process. By leaving room for the homeowner's personal touch, their art, books, and specific color choices, the project transcends mere design to become a deeply personal sanctuary. It is this final layer of collaboration that provides the home with its soul, ensuring the building feels like a living, breathing part of the family's story and the hillside it inhabits.